right? A hard-boiled egg is a boiled egg with a solid yolk inside. A soft-boiled egg is a boiled egg with a soft yolk inside. Right, Thaleia? Okay. Well, Thaleia calls it the gooey and runny egg.
I love the runny little gooey part.
Would you like to learn how to make a boiled egg with the gooey part every single time? This is a simple recipe. Thaleia, our 7-year-old, will demonstrate.
First, you get a saucepan. Add 3 cups of water. 1, 2, and 3. Put the pan to the stove. Put the stove to a high heat. Make sure your mom helps you. Wait for the water to boil. It's bubbling! Slowly add an egg. It's hot, so get your mom to help you. Turn down the medium-high. Set the timer to 5 minutes. Yay, 5 minutes! Time to pour out the hot water. Make you have safety hand stuff so you won't get hurt. Ready? Go! Wash the eggs with cold water. Turn it off. Peel the egg nice and carefully. Watch me peel this thing up. And let's watch it. Go low like the light. It's popping.
Gooey, gooey, gooey. You say gooey, gooey, gooey.
Gooey, gooey, gooey.
That's what we want.
Bon appetit.